Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Debarim, Deuteronomy Chapter 7. When Yahweh your Elohim brings you into the land that you will go to possess, and has cast out many nations before you, the Hitti, and the Girgashi, and the Amori, and the Canaani, and the Perizi, and the Hiwi, and the Yebusi, 7 nations greater and mightier than you. And when Yahweh your Elohim delivers them before you, then you will conquer them. Surely you will destroy them. You will not make a covenant with them, nor show mercy to them, nor will you make marriages with them. You will not give your daughter to his son, nor will you take his daughter for your son, because they will turn your son away from following me, that they may serve other deities. Moreover, the anger of Yahweh will be kindled against you, and suddenly destroy you. Like this you will deal with them. You will destroy their altars, and break down their pillars, and cut down their Asherah, and burn their statues with fire. For you are a holy people unto Yahweh your Elohim. Yahweh your Elohim has chosen you to be a special people unto himself, above all people who are upon the face of the earth. Yahweh did not set his love upon you, nor choose you, because you were more in number than other people, for you were the fewest of all people. It is from the love of Yahweh towards you, and because he is keeping the oath that he swore to your fathers, that Yahweh has brought you out with a mighty hand, and redeemed you from the house of bondage, from the hand of Paro, the king of Mitzrayim. Therefore, know that Yahweh your Elohim, he is Elohim, the All, the faithful one, who keeps covenant, and has mercy for those who love him and keep his commandments, unto 1,000 generations, but repays those who hate him to their face, to destroy them. He will not be delayed for those who hate him. He will repay him to his face. Therefore, you shall keep the commandments and the customs and the guidelines which I command you this day, to do them. And it will come to pass, because you hearkened unto these guidelines, and keep them, and did them, that Yahweh your Elohim will keep for you the covenant and the mercy that he swore to your fathers. Then he will love you, and endow you, and multiply you. Also, he will endow the fruit of your womb, and the fruit of your land, your grain, and your wine, and your oil, the increase of your kine, and the flocks of your sheep, in the land which he swore to your fathers to give you. You will be endowed above all people. There will not be a barren male or female among you, or among your cattle. And Yahweh will take away all sickness from you, and put none of the evil diseases of Mitzrayim, which you know. Instead, give them to all who hate you. And you will consume all the people who Yahweh your Elohim delivers to you. Your eye will have no pity upon them, nor will you serve their deities, because it will be a trap for you. If you say in your heart, these nations are more than I, how can I dispose them? You will not be afraid of them. Surely you will remember what Yahweh your Elohim did to Paro and to all Mitzrayim, the great testings that your eyes saw, and the signs, and the wonders, and the mighty hand, and the outstretched arm, whereby Yahweh your Elohim brought you out. Thus Yahweh your Elohim will do to all the people of whom you are afraid. Moreover, Yahweh your Elohim will send the hornet among them, until those who are left and hide themselves from you are destroyed. You will not be frightened by them, for Yahweh your Elohim is among you. All is mighty and fearsome. And Yahweh your Elohim will put out those nations before you, little by little. You will not consume them at once, lest the beast of the field increase upon you. Then Yahweh your Elohim will deliver them to you, and destroy them with a mighty destruction, until they are destroyed. And he will deliver their kings into your hand, and you will destroy their name from under the heavens. A man will not be able to stand before you when you destroy them. You will burn the statues of their deities with fire. You will not desire the silver or gold upon them, nor take it for yourselves, lest you are trapped by it. For it is an abomination unto Yahweh your Elohim. You will not bring an abomination into your house, lest you are cursed like it. Surely you will detest it. Surely you will abhor it, because it is cursed.